Hey everybody, I'm back. For those of you who are just checking out this channel, my name is Tamara and I run the beauty and travel blog Loverofshades.com. So today I actually have a great treat for you. I have bought these items a little while ago, but I'm getting around to reviewing them now, and it's definitely a great payoff, and the name is JUVIA'S. I actually bought two different type of palettes and two lip colors, but today I'm just going to be reviewing one of each. So the one I'm going to review today is the Zulu palette, and then also for the lip collection, the color is Yoko. So I just want to go ahead and give a quick background before we get into the tutorial, okay? So this is a black owned business. It is ran by a black woman. I know for a fact that the company is based in the States, but I believe she is Nigerian or of Nigerian descent. So that's more the merrier. Gotta support black owned businesses. And I heard great things about the palette. I heard great things about the products. I heard they're extremely pigmented. In fact, that's their claim to fame. They're known for having extremely pigmented colors. So although I already used it for this look today, this is my first time using it, period. So I just want to go ahead and do a quick swatch on my arm. You can see, already see the colors on my fingers. But look at that, and that's just simply a quick little rub on the palette. So the colors are extremely pigmented, and as you can see on my eyes, they are extremely pigmented. So as far as the lip color, this lip color again is called Yoko. It's actually a dark brown. And what I like about it is that for JUVIA'S, what they do is they have two options for the same color. So the first one is always a matte, and then the second one will be a metallic. Now these colors, they're considered liquid lipsticks. They're extremely pigmented, and a little goes a long way. So I'm actually going to swatch the matte and the metallic, but I'm just going to put literally a small bit on my hand, because I just want you guys to see how pigmented these are. So I really think if that's what you're into, which you should be, that you should check it out. Now this, trying to go a little closer, these are the colors for the lip collection. On this side is the matte, the bigger one, and then this one is the metallic. But that's just a quick, literally a little swatch, and you see how pigmented that is. So it's definitely a great liquid lipstick, especially if you want to go for a bold look. So you know, we're going to get into that also in the tutorial. But if you want to get this look, this is something I came up with. I tried to do a head wrap. I tried to do some tribal prints. I'm not sure these tribal prints are exactly Zulu. I've done my research, but you know, I saw mix and match. But this is my final look. So if you want to get this look, stay tuned, and I'm going to walk you step by step. Get started. First, we're going to take our Zulu palette, and we're going to take the yellow shade, and we're going to pack this into both our crease going up to our brow bone. Now again, I'm using the packing method. I'm not worrying about blending anything yet. Next, we're taking the orange shade, and we're also going to pack this into our crease, but only our crease. Again, not worrying about blending anything at this time. Now we're taking a crease brush, and this is where we blend. So I'm blending that orange into the yellow shadow. Next, we're taking a cream concealer, and we're going to tap this onto our upper lid. Now, you notice I said tap. I don't want to spread anything up too high. I'm simply tapping the concealer just below my crease line. Now, we're taking that tealish blue, and we're going to put that in both our inner and outer lid. We're leaving the middle untouched. Now we're going back to the yellow shade and we're going to put this in between the teal color. The reason why we're doing this is because before we apply a shimmer, we need to prep it first. It's best normally to prep it with another shadow or another powder. Now we're taking that lime green shimmer shadow and I'm using my finger, and all I'm simply going to do is tap that on top of the yellow shadow. Remember, just tap, do not poke your eye out. Next, we're taking that deep dark brown and we're going to put this on the outer part of our lid, also known as the V. Now, you could tap this on, and that's what I suggest because a little goes a long way. You could always add more as needed. Now, we're taking a blending brush, and this is where we're worrying about blending everything out. So first, we're going to blend that dark brown into from our outer V more into our crease. This also helps warm up the orange shade. After that, you could worry about blending out the actual top lid. You could also add more product if needed. I actually did. I added more brown, but off camera. Now let's go to the lower lash line. We're taking that deep purple and we're applying this and shearing this out onto our lower lash line. You can use the tap method and then simply blend it out, whatever you feel the most comfortable with. And we're also using a shadow brush to apply this tint. Now we're using that shimmery pink and we're going to put that on the inner portion of our lower lash line. Again, you could use the shadow brush and simply tap and then blend it out. Finally, we're using that baby blue shimmer and we're going to put this into our inner duct area of our eye, also known as the tear duct area. This helps give your eyes that extra pop, and I highly recommend you do that. Now on to the lips. To keep it really real with y'all, I had messed this up, said woo child the ghetto, and redid it. So this is what you're seeing right now. But simply line your lips and then fill in the color with the lip application. Now, a little goes a long way with this product, so use it very sparingly. If you make mistakes, no worries. Take a baby wipe or a makeup wipe remover, which is what I did. You could just go over your lip application, or you could also use the concealer method. It's really, all it really comes down to is what you're the most comfortable with. What I'm going to do now is, since I have that color on, you see? It's a really nice dark brown. I love it. But I want to give it a little bit of a pop because, as you could tell, you know, I needed to blend in with the whole look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going back to my Zulu palette and I'm going to take that shimmery green and I'm taking my finger and I'm literally just spreading it out now. Okay everybody, so this is the final look. Again, today I am featuring and reviewing two products from a different company. The name is JUVIA'S place, and I am reviewing the Zulu palette, eyeshadow palette, as well as the lip collection in the color or shade Yoko. So my final thoughts on both products. I absolutely love them. What I enjoy the most about the Zulu palette is the different type of colors. So you have a pretty broad color range to choose from. The colors are extremely pigmented, great payoff. You definitely don't have to worry about them sharing out or disappearing during the day. They will stay in place. So that's what I love the most about it. I really like how they have both shimmer and matte for you to work from, because some people don't really like shimmer. Some people are obsessed with shimmer, and as well as vice versa with the opposite. Another thing that I love about the lip collection for Yoko, I really like how it's truly a deep brown, like that deep cocoa brown color, because other makeup brands do have those colors, but in my personal opinion, the payoff isn't really as great, or they're not the type of brown that you're looking for, especially something that's going to go for medium to deeper complected tones. And what I really appreciate is how they have a matte as well as a metallic for the same lip color. So if I want something more glam, I can definitely go ahead and use that metallic. If I want something more soft but still yet bold, I can always go for the matte, which is what I use today. So I definitely would recommend both products. I also actually have another palette as well as lip color from JUVIA'S place that I'm going to review, but just at a later time. I wanted to give both palettes and both lip colors their individual and undivided attention so I could properly review them. But I highly recommend it. It is definitely Loverofshades approved, and I definitely think you should go check it out. I also believe that they are now selling in stores. I want to say Ulta, but I will definitely confirm that in the description box below after I do a little bit more research, because I don't want to send you guys somewhere and they don't have it. But I believe it is at Ulta. It might be at select places, but it is at Ulta. And ultimately, it's a black-owned business. The company is based out of the States. However, I believe the woman is Nigerian or of Nigerian descent, so that's even more the merrier to support this great brand. So I definitely recommend it, and I love doing this tutorial today. So that's about it. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, etc., go ahead and drop that in the comment box below. Do not worry, I'm going to list everything that I have used for today's look in the description box below. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. You could just go ahead and simply click that subscribe button. Go ahead and do that, child. And also, while you're at it, go ahead and follow me at my social media, which for Instagram and Facebook, it's the same handle, Loverofshades. And then also check out my beauty and travel blog, which is Loverofshades.com, where I post weekly content for YouTube. Right now I'm posting content every other week. So that's about it. If you have any questions, again, please feel free to go ahead and ask me in the comment box below. I'll be sure to reply. And until next time, God bless and see you later.